Alright, y'all. So we motherfucking back with another Asia rant. And this one is going to be a little different because this one is going to be like, I need to, is this going to be like fake a story time? But no, I want to get into like, yeah, how you really like come up out of getting jumped. Like how you really, we going to get into it. So first, if it's your first time watching Asia Rants, if you don't know the rules, I put a timer on, and this rant only goes for 10 fucking minutes. Once the rant is over, like once the timer go off, I'm done talking. I'm packing it. I ain't going no more than 10 minutes. If y'all really, really enjoyed this video, make sure that you like the video first. Please like the video. Then subscribe. Then go to TikTok and add me on TikTok because once I get 1,000 followers, I can go live. And make sure y'all add y'all girl on motherfucking Instagram because of course you're gonna want to see me and period. Like why not? So first of all, this gonna be like I said, a story time / how we get up out of getting jumped. So let me put the timer on. And let me tell y'all, this story, for real, all jokes aside, is like crazy because first of all, this happened before I start the timer. This happened, I think, in November at a SZA concert in the Barclays Center, and I got jumped by Spanish bitches. Them bitches always hating, but yeah, that's another story. Shout out to my Spanish bitches that really like show mad love to the black girls for real, cause y'all bitches be hating. But I do got a lot of Spanish friends that like, you know, those my dogs. So I'm not gonna say all, but a lot of y'all bitches be hating. But anyways, so let me start the timer. It's at 10. Okay, so let's get into it. So long story very short, because I really want to get into like how the fuck you survive and get up out of and yeah, walk away with scar free when you got jumped. Okay, so long story short, I was in a section. I had gotten to the Barclays Center. I was in a section that I wasn't supposed to be in, but I was standing like in the aisle, so I wasn't in the seats. It was a bunch of girls, probably like 7 of them, and they always, you know, Hispanic or whatever. And I asked them at first, like, y'all cool with me standing here? Because the angle that I was at was cool. And then the security guard let me rock. They was like, yeah, we cool with it. Da-da-da. I guess I was having too much fun hating assholes. They went and caught their bully ass friend. Some dyke Spanish bitch. But yeah, we gonna get into that. So she come and she like, you not supposed to be here. She started talking to me crazy. And I'm like, yo, who you talking to? You running your mouth too much and I'm not your kid. So yeah, what we about to do? So she like, you want to take it outside? I say, yeah, let's take it outside. Mind you, I'm at a SZA concert. I got on combat boots. I'm probably going to put a picture for y'all to see how the fuck I looked. I looked it fucking good, period. And I guess the attire must have threw her off. She must have not knew that I was like that. But yeah. The fucked up part about the whole story was my friends been calling me to go to a better section, but it was my friend's birthday and I didn't want to ruin her birthday for them to come look for me or whatever. But they been on my heels all night looking for me and I was just ignoring them, dumb as fuck. Anyways, so we get upstairs or whatever. Now, number one, when you about to get jumped or you sensing you about to get jumped, I'm about to tell y'all what I did. You do this. You start like a motherfucker fake copping it. You feel me? You not really copping it though. You like, you feel me? You really stalling because you really got to figure out in this motherfucking scenario what the fuck you about to do. So we get upstairs, me and her arguing, whatever. And she got her little like, it was like 3 of them or whatever standing there. We arguing. But in my mind now I'm upstairs and I'm fake copping. I'm like, yo, wait till we get outside. Because I tried to call one of my friends. One of them heard me and they was like coming on the side. So I'm like, I bet. Once he hit the corner, I'm going to pop it off on this bitch. Because I'm not, you feel me? So anyway, so I'm there. You fake cop it. You are like, you fake me like, yo, you dead ass. Like little shit. Like, yo, you dead ass right now. Like, yo, you can't wait. Like, y'all really about to jump me. You start doing shit like that. And you only doing shit like that because you pre-in the scene of how you about to get up out of this shit. So neither you going to see like, yo, I'm neither going to get my ass whipped, but I'm not trying to get my ass whipped too much. Or I'm going to just whole ass. And this is trick number 2. I'm about to tell y'all trick number 2. Now, don't let nobody tell you pussy at all if you hit the dash, if you run, you heard? Because Yeah, nigga, bitch. Nobody wants to get jumped and bones broken, face fucked up. Nobody should be moving tough enough to where you okay with getting jumped. Now, two people, I bet you could know. You know what I'm saying? You could take on two, probably a little three. But 5, 6 of them hoes or 5, 6 of them niggas, do the fucking dash if you have to. Unfortunately, I did not do the dash. So it's neither two things. It's neither you cop it and you figure this whole stitchy out, or you run like hell. You're not pussy if you run. Anyway, so I'm standing there, I'm fake, like, yo, you dead ass, so I'm arguing with them, and I see a little dumbass, little fucking security, so I'm like, I bet. If it's a security right there, most likely he gonna grab one of them. So now it's gonna be 4 of them on me, which is cool. So I already pre in the scene, but I'm like, really and truly, I really want to get it with the dyke because it's really her talking crazy. The other bitches was shorter than me. They was gonna get beat up regardless. Anyways, so I go and I'm like, I'm fake, like, arguing. I'm like, yo, y'all dead ass. Like, niggas is really, yeah, like, what y'all trying right now? Whatever. So I turn a little slightly to start arguing with the bitch over here. When I turned, I was so much on 10 because I already knew what was going on. And this is trick number 3. Very important motherfucking trick, okay? Trick number 3, you better make sure, yeah? Listen up. I turned and the dyke swung on me, but I seen her. That's the crazy part. I seen it from the corner of my eye, so I weaved it. When I weaved her hitting me, and this is all no cap, this is all real spill. Tell them to drop the footage if they have to, you heard? Period. But I weaved her hit, and I grabs the shorty next to me. Now, trick number 3. You better, if you getting drunk, you better beat the fuck out of one person. One person gotta get they ass whipped. I don't give a fuck if it's 10 of y'all. I don't give a fuck if it's 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. When you getting jumped, bro, grab one person and beat their ass like they stole your shit. Cause they not about to beat you up. Like, you gonna say at least that you beat up one person. Like, yo, well, I got jumped, but at least I beat da. Anyway, so yeah. The girl, she swung on me, I weaves it. Security grabs her or whatever. I grab the shorty on the side, because it was 3 of them. I start wailing. Me. Spanking her. You feel me? Like, so now they get loose. The dyke grabs my hair. I had a wig on, but the dyke grabs my hair, but I'm spanking her. Trick number 4. When you about to get jumped, bro, make sure, before even all of that, make sure your surroundings, nobody's behind you. Like, yo, if you about to get jumped and you got niggas surrounding you in a circle, understand you're gonna get your ass whipped. So make sure when you about to get jumped or something, you start backing up into a corner. Like, back up to a fucking corner. Okay, so I already knew we in Barclay. In my mind, I'm like, hold ass and walk backwards because you're gonna hit a wall regardless. You know what I'm saying? So that's what I started doing. I start beating her ass, but I'm fake dragging her, like walking back, because I'm like, yo, I need to hit a wall because if I can't fall, I got on these big ass combat boots. If I fall, it's up for me. And I fucking had on a dress. But anyway, so I'm beating her ass. The dyke is pulling my hair. I'm walking back. I hit a wall. I felt when I hit the wall. I start wailing the bitch up. Now, all the other girls start getting their little hits in, whatever. Security start coming. Now my friend come or whatever. Now one of my friends, but it's a guy, so he wasn't gonna jump in. But they end up started to break it up. But I didn't get really like nothing severely happened to me because I already knew, like, yo, listen, if I'ma start getting it on, bro, one person gotta get their ass whipped and I gotta move back. Like, move back to where I hit a wall. Like, you gotta make sure you hit a motherfucking wall. You don't hit a motherfucking wall. You don't hit, or you don't go to where, like, you know, nobody's behind you. You're gonna get your ass whipped. So, that's trick number 4. Now, I'm beating one of the girls' ass up. The dyke got my hair. She ended up getting a wig off. She's still pulling my hair, bro. And yo, bro, the fucked up part about this whole situation was I lost one of my motherfucking earrings, one of my diamond earrings. And another fucked up part about the situation is I end up with a motherfucking bald spot in the back of my head because this bitch was pulling my hair so fucking bad. Like, this bitch really kept pulling my hair. Like, bitch, you're a pussy, and if I ever see you understand that, it's up for you, dumbass bitch. That dyke gonna get her ass if I ever see her. Now my other friend came and my other friend was on 10. She was on that. Like, what? Da, da, da. They was so shocked that I really was like beating one of their friends' ass that like, bro, they was so shocked. They didn't even want to fight no more. When they brought it up, they were just standing there like, oh nah, we don't want to fight no more. I didn't get arrested for the whole situation in Barclay because they ran a camera back and see like I wasn't the aggressor. They asked me if I wanted to press charges and shit, but I said no. Cause I ain't feel like putting press charges. And real tea is, I can't even really tell y'all real tea, because real tea is, I couldn't get arrested. Just no, I could not get arrested. But yeah, so this is me telling y'all, let's run it back, bro. It's 4 or 5 tricks to this getting jump shit, bro. Make sure the fuck, if you gotta run, you gotta run. Make sure you start stoling or copping in the beginning to see where the fuck you gonna do. Make sure that you grab one person and beat their ass for their motherfucking life. And last one, make sure you hit a motherfucking wall. Hit a wall, hit a store, hit something to where you can't fall. And when you backed up into a motherfucking corner, you can either cover your face or you could duck or you could something. Don't play tough guy and trying to get it on with these motherfuckers if you know you can't. Okay? Don't try to da-da-da. No, run like hell if you have to. But yeah, y'all, this was my little story time. I hope these tips and tricks helped y'all on how to literally avoid getting your ass whipped when you're getting jumped and how to possibly win the fight when you're getting jumped. Okay? If y'all like this content, please, oh my God, please like and subscribe. Make sure y'all motherfucking like. Make sure y'all subscribe to a bitch. And yeah, my time about to go off right motherfucking now. Yes, make sure y'all like and subscribe. See y'all.